Hi, this is Jim McConnell, coming to you from Redmond, Oregon at LEHQ. Today we're going to talk about TPO and what the EU regulations are doing, as well as how other countries are following. TPO is a photoinitiator that's used or has been used in a lot of different gel products on the market. TPO is also known as trimethylbenzoyl diphenylphosphine oxide. So if you want, you can always practice that at home, usually in front of a mirror is the best way to say it. But TPO is typically been used, it's been used for a long time in UV cured products. The EU has determined that they want to eliminate it because there's evidence that hedgehogs, male hedgehogs specifically, become infertile and impotent if exposed to inhaling a lot of TPO. So TPO is typically, it's a powder. We dissolve it here into, or we used to dissolve it here into acetone, and then add that mixture to a product. Because it's being deregulated in the EU, we've eliminated the use of it here and have used something else in place of it. However, do not fear. There is zero evidence that I have seen in my research work that suggests that TPO causes impotence amongst male humans, and that it does not necessarily cause any kind of infertility as well. So its use in our products have demonstrated zero human interaction. But if you're a male hedgehog, apparently it is something you must be concerned about. Anyway, we have eliminated it, and we're now printing all of our containers without its presence on there as well. If you look at our STSs, the new ones have all been modified to eliminate the use of trimethylbenzoyl diphenylphosphine oxide. So that will no longer be present on our STSs or ingredient lists. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Ask us questions on when we eliminated it, if you want to really know, or if it's present in anything. So thank you very much. Coming to you from Redmond, Oregon at LEHQ, it's Jim McConnell saying goodbye. Thank you.